Hello, 8th graders. Today, you guys just got done taking the test, moving on a little bit. Um, Today you'll be kind of your only or first homework assignment of the week because I helped you through the first one. 101, geometric probability. Now you're all probably like, oh, but we've done probability a little bit. We've done finding the area, and we have done ratios, and that's all today's going to be about. It's just going to be putting them all together. So, objective to calculate geometric probability by calculating the ratio includes regions, areas to the total area. That is your objective for today. So, let's just get at it. You got example 1 here. If a 12-inch diameter target is hit, what is the probability that a 4-inch diameter bullseye is hit? Well, what's the area of both of these? Well, what is my formula for finding the area of these? Well, that would be your diameter. So your diameter in the first one would be 6. Okay, to find the area, you take radius. So your diameter was 12, radius will be 6 squared. You square your radius and times it by pi. In the other one, we would have 2 squared times pi. Okay, because our diameter in this one was 4, half of that is 2, square it. Okay, so you're going to get 4 pi and 36 pi. Okay, and this is going to be inches squared. Okay, if this is that, what is the probability that we hit the small one? So being this is the one that we're trying to find the probability of, we have 4 pi inches over 36 pi inches. Okay, this will get rid of our label, like we divided it off. Okay, now this is multiplication in between these two, which means that we can get rid of certain parts of this right away. So we're ending up with 4 over 36, which you guys might be thinking, well, Mr. Edel, you can just divide that. You might have thought of that before, or reduce it, I should say, and you should get 1 over 9. So the probability that you hit this is literally going to be 1 over 9, which is approximately 0.11 or 11% that you're going to hit this. So that is your answer for that one. Okay. Now, that wasn't too bad. Like I said, you guys knew how to find. You guys just got to remember area equals area of a circle. Circle equals radius squared times pi. That is your area for a circle. Okay. Now, what is the probability that an object lands in a circle also lands in the square? Oh, and I didn't even give you the picture. So, that's alright. Mr. Riedel will try to draw it. Keyword try. Okay. We have this, something that looks like this. Okay, our square is 10 by 10. Our diameter of the circle is 20. Okay? Yep. So, we want to know what the probability that an object that lands in the circle. Well, once again, our circular formula is going to be your radius squared. Well, radius in this case is going to be 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Times that by pi. And your area of your square is going to be 100. Which is interesting here. because depending on what you guys are thinking, once again, you could get rid of your labels. Okay. And now, honestly, the hundreds cancel out, so you'd be left with 1 over pi. Or you could have multiplied it by 3.14 and got 1 over, which is about 1 over 3.14. You divide that out, you're going to get somewhere in the ballpark of, this is going to be approximately 0.32. You put that into your calculator. So far, nothing too extreme. It's just remembering how to find the area of this. Okay, we got some practice set here. What is the probability that an object will land in the outer region will also land in the region above? Well, this one's not too bad at all. We have a 8 by 6 square, which is 8 times 6 is 48. And that's going to be 12. 3 times 4. You end up with a 1. If I reduce it, I can take a 4 out of each one. So you'd end up with that. You could actually take a 12 out. That's what I wanted to do. Take a 12 out, you end up with 1 over 4, which is about 0.25, whatever one you want to put there. Okay. Now we're given D here. The radius of the large circle is 10. Well, 10 squared is 100 times pi. The top one, the small one, would be 36 pi, because you would square it. Once again, going back to your area of a circle. It says leave in terms of pi. I think you can take a 4 out of both of these. You're going to get 9 pi over 25 pi. And I think that's about all the farther you can go with that one. Oh, you could take out the pi's, I guess, because they both have a pi. So it'd be 9 to 25. I almost forgot the most important step. There is your homework for today. Not extremely hard. Like I said, you just need to remember, like today, the reason I can go through this so quickly, and I don't know, maybe I should have slowed it down, is you're just finding the area of both objects, putting it in a proportion, and reducing it as much as possible. I mean, that makes it sound blunt and easy, but that is literally what we got going on here. Yeah, so I think we'll stay with our assignment for today, being I helped you guys on the Monday one. This is getting you into Wednesday. We have one lesson left for the week, and you guys are back on a 3-day weekend. Oh no, just a 2-day, because it'll be Friday. See, I messed up with this schedule this week. Anyway, hopefully you understand that. Hopefully you joined in during Zoom, maybe. Whatever works for you.